See it again, you see it again.
It's going to be, yeah, but look at it, it's the worst sight. You shouldn't be driving a car like that.
He looks cool.
You look cool, don't you? Do you think you're going to collect your women now?
Yeah, you can see the pin off the brake and that. Got a bit of length on the right.
You got it there. Go easy now. Keep under 70.
I will, mate. I haven't got above anything.
I haven't got above anything.
You've got the petrol, that's the start.
Yeah, try not to run out. Cost 15 quid to get the pump round again. Take it easy, boy. I've got to bring my gutting sight in the world.
Oh, great. Right, you're keeping it on, watch.
Whoa!
He's shitting himself.
I'm scared of the big car.
Well,
Is he on a clutch, boss? Jesus.
How are you going to get back round? How
can you laugh? You carry on laughing. It's not even funny, mate.
Looking really nervous, mate.
Nervous? When you be with him driving your car? When you be with him driving your car? Look at him! What's he doing up there?
It's a gas. How's this thing going over? Yeah.
That boy gets some beat!
Think of him when he's got the petrol.
What a wanker.
Right.
That's no good.